FedEx is officially bringing robots into the warehouse to do the heavy lifting. They announced a new autonomous system called the Scoop that will start unloading trucks in 2026. This tech was built with Berkshire Grey and has been in development for years. It is wild to see how fast shipping logistics are becoming fully automated. Hopefully, this means our packages arrive faster and stop getting stuck in transit limbo.